Now chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. We have already seen squares and square roots. How we can find the square, how we can find the square roots. Similarly, here we define the cubes and also cube roots. How we can find the cubes and how we can find the cube roots. In geometry, by a cube we mean a solid figure having equal edges. And the volume of that cube is obtained by multiplying these edges 3 times, because the length, breadth, height of this cube are the same, and therefore multiplying length, breadth, height means multiplying the number itself 3 times, we get the volume. Now here we define the cube of a number which has certain similarity with the geometrical situation. We can see it. Now the cube of a number is this. If a number is multiplied itself by 3 times, we get the cube of that number. That is the definition. If a number is multiplied itself by 3 times, we get the cube of that number. Example. Consider 1 multiplied 3 times, 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So we say the cube of 1 is 1, and is denoted by this. 1 cube is equal to 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Consider 2 multiplied 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8, and therefore this cube of 2 is 8. In symbols we denote this 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 multiplied 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27, or 3 cube is equal to 27. Similarly, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64, 4 cube is equal to 64. This 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125, or 5 cube is equal to 125. In a similar fashion, we can have the cubes of any number. And these cubes are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. We can have the cubes of the decimal numbers also. Cube of a decimal number. When the decimal number is multiplied itself by 3 times, you will get its cube. We can have 1.1 multiplied 3 times and its cube. 1.1 cube. 3.8 cube. Or 10.25 cube. In that fashion, we can have the cubes of these decimal numbers also, of course. And also, we can see that a certain interesting pattern in the case of these cubes of numbers. So we get this pattern. So consider this 1 cube, which is equal to what? We know. Unknown. 2 cube is equal to 8. And we can write this 8 again as 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. So 2 cube is 8, which is the sum of 2 odd numbers, 3 and 5. These 3 odd numbers are the next, these 2 odd numbers are the next 2 odd numbers of this one. So 1 cube is this odd number, first odd number 1. 2 cube is the sum of the next 2 odd numbers. 2 cube, 2, sum of the next 2 odd numbers. And now consider this 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27, which is equal to 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9 plus 11. 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. 3 cube, sum of 3 odd numbers. Next 3 numbers, after this 5, the next 3 numbers, sum of those 3 odd numbers. Next 3 odd numbers. And consider this 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to this 64, which is equal to 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So this sum is 64. So 4 cube is the sum of the next 4 odd numbers. After this 11, the next 4 odd numbers is 4 cube. Similarly, this 5 cube, which is equal to 125, which is equal to the sum of the next 5 odd numbers. Next 5 odd numbers. So in a similar fashion, we can have the cubes, which are sum of certain odd numbers in this order. So that is the pattern which we see in the case of these cubes. Okay? And now we can have more discussions in the next videos.